give them the task to slice it for me. So when I get home, I just wash it.
Makes it so much easier.
Yeah, supply. Like they say. Saying.
They were it, they were fought, they were drinks.
Eating. So this is red oil with onions and cured fish, but the cured fish is disappearing now. And that's it. Just the oil and the heat absorbs the fish into the flavor. Like, yeah. So
It smells very good too. So the fish that she used was in a packet.
yes.
Yeah. So yeah. And then what's in here?
Okay, so this is the kontomire, which is the cocoyam leaf. We're boiling it down because if you don't boil it well, your mouth will start itching after you finish eating. So we want to make sure that we cook it down, not too much. We don't have to overcook it, but it has to cook to a point before we start using it.
I see.
Yes.
And then we cut up some tomatoes to put in there.
Yeah.
And then what is this?
This is ginger, onion, garlic, and this is just habanero.
Habanero. And then what is this?
And this is the melon seed. It's called agushi in the local parlance. So this is going to go into the sauce to make the stew, have the umami flavor. Nice.
Can't wait for it to be done and start eating.
Yeah, I can't wait to.
Yeah.
We chop the what's it called, the tomatoes so good. So
thank
I
you.
wish I could do it this way, but I'll be too lazy to do it.
Yeah, it takes a little bit of time.
Yeah, I just like to cook as quick as I can. Peppers. This is our peppers, onions, ginger, garlic, and usually when I cook, I like a bit of turmeric. So I've added a bit of turmeric to this one as well.
So I'm taking some of this right here, agusi.
Yes.
Yes, and then I'm just gonna just take a spoon of it, and then I'm just gonna just put it in here like this.
Okay.
And then we're just gonna just fill it up. I'm gonna do one more in the middle.
Okay.
Is that enough?
No, we're doing everything.
You're doing everything.
Yes.
Okay.
So we have to fill the entire pot with the white stuff.
Okay. Do I separate it?
No, just pour it wherever you can.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna put all of this in here. I'm almost done with all of it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good job.
Thank you. I'm a good teacher. I know I shouldn't do it this way, but...
Oh no, you're supposed to.
Okay.
Yeah.
There we go.